everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I'm excited to bring you this video of a home called the Rio. This is a 28 by 48, and it is a new lot model, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And this is part of the Prime Home Series. Now remember, we created an entire home series that is built really well, limited on the optional features, but the price is just right. Now on the outside, we've got different colors to choose from. We're seeing an olive green here. You can get this in olive, white, Flint Gray, and a clay brown. We've added a 16-foot dormer over the door. Now shutters are going to come on the front of the home in the Prime Home Series. I've shown some videos or done some videos on the Prime single wides, but never the double. We've got an electrical receptacle in the front, frost-free faucet, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised when you see how this home turns out. Not bad. Not bad for our economy home series, which we call the Prime. We wanted to be able to create homes that will fit into everybody's budget. So we came up with several different floor plans in many different sizes to accommodate everybody's wants and needs. Here, we're gonna have an included island. The homes are gonna come with a stove, refrigerator, hot water heater, and furnace. You can add a microwave over the range and a dishwasher. You're gonna have a Prime package in there that's gonna include black cabinet knobs, ice damming. You'll see a walk-in shower here in just a few minutes. Real porcelain sinks and metal faucets. We've got a sprayer here. Coming into the utility room, we're gonna find the back door, water heater, furnace behind that door, and what a laundry room, very spacious. This is the new Prime floor. The cabinets are gonna be available in a white or brown, and then we've got Roca Bosca, which is available in both of the home series, as an option for the countertop, or you can go with a white marble. And also in the cabinets, we've got like an oak color. Matches the floor pretty similar. Over here, for storage, we've got a pantry with large, deep cabinets. Here's your dining area. Now, back in the alternate bedrooms, bedrooms 2 and 3, we're gonna find a little type of a foyer here that I really enjoy. Here's bath number 2. We're gonna have a tub shower combination there. Single vanity. Here's bedroom number 2. And the closet. Right around the corner, we're gonna find bedroom number 3. About the same size. Now, the best part about this home is it's here on my lot. It's a show home for this year. I'm Christina. I'm also the general manager here at Champion Home Center, and we will provide you with a free overnight stay at a very nice place if you take the trip and come visit us. We'll also take you over to the factory and show you step-by-step how our homes are made. Here's the primary bedroom. Very spacious in the primary bedroom. Also, make sure to check out our website, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. And on the website, you're gonna see hundreds of floor plans and also a special clearance sale that we run monthly. Primary bath. We're gonna have this extended vanity, and there is the option to place a second sink there if you would like to. Very large cabinets in this vanity. There's the walk-in shower I was talking about. It's a 2-seater. And then check out the closet. Plenty of space there. Now there is an option in this home to add a door right here. So I'd love to see you guys this season. We're in season number 5 of the Mobile Home Mama. So excited to show you these beautiful homes and all of the new colors and excellent choices we have for you here at Champion Homes. And as always, thanks for watching.